Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Crochet Khazana. In this video, I am going to show you how to crochet wreath ornament for Christmas tree decoration. For this, I am using 4mm crochet hook. Let's begin the video. First take a yarn and make 20 rounds. Insert the hook and pull up the yarn. Then make a chain. Make 30 single crochets around the ring. Make a slip stitch in the first single crochet. Chain one and cut the yarn. To start our row 2, insert the hook into any stitch, pull up the yarn, then make a chain of 3. In this row we are going to make double crochet into each stitch. So make a double crochet in the next stitch, double crochet in the next stitch, double crochet in the next stitch. Continue to make double crochet into each stitch all the way across. Make a slip stitch in the chain 3. Make a chain and cut the yarn. To start our third row, insert the hook into any stitch. Pull up the yarn. Make a chain and make a single crochet in the same stitch. The next stitch make 4 double crochets. Skip one stitch and in the next stitch make a single crochet. In the next stitch make 4 double crochets. Skip one stitch and in the next stitch make a single crochet. In the next stitch make 4 double crochets. Skip one stitch and in the next stitch make a single crochet. Continue like this all the way across. Skip one stitch and in the last stitch make a single crochet. Chain one and cut the yarn. To make a bow, take a white yarn and make a slip knot. Make a chain of 25. Skip first chain and in the next chain make a single crochet. Make a single crochet in the next chain. Continue to make single crochet into each chain all the way across. Chain one and cut the yarn. If you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching.